Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how I got a free $100 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. This is a legit no deposit bonus. You don't need to deposit to claim it. All you just need to do is to trade 5 lot size and you withdraw the profits. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go about it, and the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. So there is something that I've noticed. Yes, there's something I've noticed. So but before I say it, I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos. It really means so much to me. But I noticed something surprising. 76% of you who watch my video haven't subscribed yet. So if you're enjoying my content on Forex, no deposit bonuses, and cryptocurrency, which I will start very soon, okay, so please take a second to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Okay, so subscribing is completely free and it helps me create even more amazing content for you. Plus, liking and sharing my videos allow others to discover this valuable information too. So let's grow together on this journey. Okay, your support makes all the difference. And I'll be organizing a free Forex class for those that are interested in learning Forex. Okay, so I'm going to be organizing a free Forex class, and the link to join the group is going to also be in the description below. Okay, so just click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you direct to the group. Okay, so what are we going to learn in this free Forex class? We're going to learn the basics of Forex, the proven trading strategies, how to start trading profitably. Okay, so don't miss this golden opportunity to gain financial skills at zero cost. Okay, so now let's get back into the video. So let's talk about the terms and conditions. Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this: claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yes, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so regarding the terms and conditions, you can see it right here. Yeah, so to withdraw profits, trader must complete all the following within 30 days. And the first thing is to reach a profit target of $150. So the account balance must be at least $250. Okay, so you're going to have $250, but you must reach at least $150 before you can be able to withdraw. Okay, so to trade on 10 separate days, you're going to trade on 10 separate days, at least one closed trade per day, and achieve a trading volume of 5 standard lots. I've said that before. So minimum of 0.01 lots per trade, and trades shorter than 3 minutes do not count. Okay, so after meeting the above conditions, contact their support to request profit withdrawal. Then the maximum withdrawal profit is $150, and the initial $100 bonus is non-withdrawable and will be removed once profits are withdrawn. Okay, so KYC verification is mandatory before withdrawal, and you can also see the trading risk management rules. So the maximum drawdown is 10% of the initial balance, $10. So if equity falls below $90, then the challenge ends. Then no edging. So you can see all the terms and conditions right here, so you can just go through them. Okay, so these are all the things we need to know about the terms and conditions. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. You can see it right here, $100 no deposit bonus. Okay, so now the first thing that we're going to be doing is to register. Okay, yeah, so we're going to be registering right now. So we're just going to click on this 3 icon right here. Then we're going to go to promotion. So once you go to promotion, you're going to see a no deposit bonus right there. Okay, so you click on claim now. You can see it right here. So once you click on claim now, It's going to bring out the benefits, the no deposit bonus benefits. You can see it right here. So we're just going to get started. Okay, so we're going to register. Just input your details, your first name, your last name. So I'm going to ignore that. We all know that already. So register. So once you register, an email is going to pop up. That is, they're welcoming you. Okay. So in this email, we are going to see a sign in icon. Okay. So you're just going to click on it. Then you confirm your email, which you can see right there. Email confirmed. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to verify. And it does not need to get accepted. You are going to verify first, but you don't need to get accepted before you get the bonus. Okay. So once you just submit it, then you can go and get the bonus. So it means without verification, you can still get the bonus. Okay. So if you want to verify, you're going to upload your proof of address. You can see it right here, your identification proof. You're also going to upload that. That is, you're going to be needing your NIN or your voter's card, anyone that you have. Okay, so you're going to be uploading it. Then you're going to receive an email telling you that your document has been received. And they're also processing your verification. Okay, so after that, you're going to be putting in more information about yourself, which is what's the personal profile. Okay, so it's part of the verification process. Okay, so once you're done doing that, then you're going to click on those three icon right here. Then you go to what's my bonus. Okay, so you can see the bonus rules right here. Okay, so we're just going to ignore that. Then we're going to be choosing an account type. So we're going to pick the highest leverage. Okay, and once we're done doing that, we'll click on create account. So as you can see, my account has been created successfully. Okay, and you're also going to receive an email. Okay, so after doing that, you're going to click on the same three icon. Then we're going to go to all bonuses. Okay, so we're just going to click on it. Yes, so once you do that, you're going to impute your account, then agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, so after doing that, so you click on get bonus. Okay, so as you can see, my bonus has been received. Okay, so you can see the $100 bonus right there. Okay, and an email is going to be sent to you to where you'll be getting your login ID and your password. So we're just going to log into Metatrader 4, not Metatrader 5. Okay, so I've gotten my login details already, so you can see it right here. So I'm just going to be going to Metatrader 4 right now. So let's get to the app. So we're just going to open Metatrader 4. Then you click on the plus icon. Then you click on log into existing account. Then we're going to be inputting the name of the broker, which is Ola Trade. Okay, so once we click on it, we input our login ID. Then after that, we input our password. Okay, so once you input your password, then you're just going to log in. You're going to sign up. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten my $100 no deposit bonus right here, and I can use it to trade. Okay, so we can just place a trade on it, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so make sure you go and get yours right now. It's still available. It's still available. So if you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.